Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a custom card drawer to your Shopify store. The process is very easy. Once you are here in your dashboard, you can go to this list panel and make sure to go and click on online stores. You'll find yourself in the themes section. So from here, you can go and check if your theme has it already built in. Some themes has it already built in. So if you go to this edit theme option, you will find yourself here editing your theme. Go into the list panel, you'll find the settings icon. Make sure to just go and click on that. Here, you can scroll down as an example a little bit, and you will find here cards option. If you go and open that, you'll find this example, the type, drawer, page, or pop-up notification. So as you can see, for me, in my theme, I already have the cards enabled and built in within my theme. Of course, I can customize this however you want by changing whatever I want in the settings, colors, and a lot of other stuff. But what if you don't have it in your theme? You can go as an example and change your theme if you want to. You can go to the top right option here and click on import themes, click on visit theme store, and you can browse through various themes. Click on view all and go on the left panel, select the free ones if you want to. If you want some paid ones, you can select that and pay for one. And here you can look for the ones as an example that provides that. If you didn't want to change as an example your theme, you can go and have another two options. The first option is to use an app, and it's an easy option. And the other option is to add a custom code. You can go as an example to your own theme and click on edit theme, and you will be able to create a card drawer liquidify as example, and you'll be able to add your maybe CSS code plus some JavaScript code, and you'll be able to link it to your cards icon. And if you're not comfortable with the code, you can use the app, which is the most easy option. So on the left panel as example, you'll find this apps. Just go and click on that, and here as example, you'll find apps. You can go and click on all recommended apps, then click at the bottom on Shopify App Store. Once you do so, you'll find yourself here, and you can look for any cards as an example. So let's say I'm just going to look for cards. Of course, some of the popular option are slide cards. You can go and open that as an example and look for that. There's the other apps that is known, which is the sticky cards and drawer, and there's the Ajax stars cards drawer. So there are a lot of options as an example. So make sure to look for a free one if you want just free option like this one, and you can go and click on install it, and of course you'll be able to apply it into your theme. So once it's installed, just click on install again right here, and you'll have to wait a little bit until it's installed into your theme or into your store. And as you can see, once you're done, you'll find yourself here. Of course, this page will be different depending on the app that you downloaded. For this app as an example, I'll be able to click on edit card right here, and I will be able to add or enable or disable whatever I want in my cards, as you can see. So once I finish all of that, I can click at the top right corner, save changes. Once I add all the stuff that I want, and as you can see, the widget is updated. Now we can go back as an example to our online store. So click on online store, edit themes, and on the left panel, we'll not click on settings, but we'll click on the app embeds. Once you do so, you'll find all the apps that you have downloaded into your Shopify. As you can see, this is the app that we just downloaded. Just enable it. And as you can see, the cards will be available right now. If you click on it, you'll be able to see your card right here. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.